Good morning, my friends. We're back at it again with another video today. I'm excited for this one, guys. My friends over at American Modify sent me another item for me to try. These are their fog lights that they have on their website for the 10th gen Civic. Give you guys a little look right now. They're pretty sick, man. I saw a picture and I think I'm really gonna like how these look on the car. It's a little X design. I believe they're yellow as well. They didn't come with instructions. All it comes is with the fog lights, standard clip. We got a little wiring harness here. And then it comes with this white wire, which I noticed in one of these harnesses. Or was it over here? No, it's over here. There's the white wire sticking out of this. So I gotta figure that out. But it's gonna be a dope ass install. The whole front of the car is gonna be different just by doing that upgrade. And yeah, I'm excited for this one, guys. So what I'm gonna do is, I know I had a video already taking out the fog light covers and removing the fog lights because I was retinting these fog lights. But pretty much it's all clips all around, and then there's one clip in here that you need to pull out completely, like a tab. And then this will actually come off and it'll give you access to the fog lights, which is only 4 screws holding it in. You take out those screws and the fog light comes off. So what I'm gonna do, guys, because I'm trying to do like a quick video and I'm trying to figure this out because I'm not sure how the wiring is gonna work. I don't know if that's gonna be a plug and play or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started and take care of one side completely and then show you guys how it looks when it's on and show you the difference on both sides. And then on the second fog light, I'll go more detail and show you guys what I did for the wiring and see if I had to splice anything, if I had to do my own wiring, things like that. So I'm gonna get started, guys, and we'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, I thought I'll show you real quick. It was so easy. It was pretty much plug and play. This is the wiring harness that it came with. So you put this end on the stock harness and then it goes onto the light. And I'll show you guys in a sec. It's not really of a yellow color. It's more of a like an orangey color, but I feel like it's gonna look sick when it's nighttime. So there you guys go. That's it lit up. It's better. It looks pretty cool. So now what I'm gonna do is on the back side, there's a little adjustment screw. So I'm gonna get the adjustment correct and then put the fog light cover back on and see how it looks. And I'll show you guys the before and after. All right, guys, here it is installed. I want you guys to be honest with me. What do you think? I think it looks pretty freaking sick, man. I like how it's black housing so it blends in and then you just see the little X. But that's the after. That's the before. You got a little friend here trying to hitch a ride later. But yeah, what you guys think? The yellow fogs or these new X's that are orangey yellowish? But I'm gonna show you guys the harness part on the other side so you guys can see exactly what I did. And then when it gets nighttime, we're gonna go for a little ride and turn them on, see how they look at night and see how bright they are. Because I'm not gonna lie, from what they looks like now, it doesn't look that bright, but you never know. As long as they're bright enough at night, I'll be fine with it. But like I said, you guys give me your honest opinion. Do you guys like it or do you not? Should I go back to the yellow fog lights? Should I keep these on? I mean, it's a different look. It's unique. I really haven't seen nobody rock those, so I like being different. So yeah, guys, I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. But let me get this side done and I'll show you guys the wiring very well so you guys can see what I did. Alright guys, so this is how easy American Modified made this. This is your stock harness for your fog light. This is your fog light. On the back it tells you top, so obviously that's the bottom, so that's how you know it goes this way. This is the harness that they provide. You legit, guys, plug this side over here. I'm gonna put you guys down. Until you hear it click. If it doesn't click, try again. Then this side, guys, you just straight plug in. And that is all. I'm gonna put this right here just so I can show you guys. Give me a sec. Let me go turn on the car, the light. There you guys go. Just like that. That's how simple it is. That's how simple American Modified made this. Just plug in the one end on this, on your stock harness, and it plugs into the back of your fog light. And then just zip tie it somewhere so it doesn't rattle around while you're driving. Now this, let me not mess this up. This white wire, I'm not sure what it's for. I'm gonna black tape it for now and put it away and keep the white wire that they provided as well in the little bag. This right here. I'm gonna keep both of those items. Well, I'm gonna keep the wire and put it away, and then I'm gonna black tape that because obviously it works without it. So I'm not sure if they made it plug and play for this, and maybe for like the older models or something like that, you need that white wire for. Or I don't know if you wire that white wire, if it has some more functions like maybe sequential turning. I don't know how that would work on that design, but you never know. These guys out there make some insane things that look awesome. So saying that, I'm gonna put black tape on that so it's not exposed. I'm gonna tuck in the white wiring that they gave me, and I'm gonna do some research, guys. I'm gonna look to see if anybody else has done this. I'm gonna look on their website. I'm gonna try to find out what that white wire is, and I'll update you guys in the future. And if it does do another functionality, I will be wiring that up and having it on the car and see how it looks. Maybe something I like, you never know. But guys, that is all it is to it. Super simple. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this fog light, put everything together, show you guys how everything looks. And then like I said, tonight when it gets night, it gets nice and dark, we'll go for a little cruise and turn them on and see how they look at night and see how bright they are and things like that. Like I said, they don't look very bright, but they look awesome, and I feel like it's gonna look so cool at night. It's just something different. I like being different. I can't express that. So yeah, guys, so I'll see you guys when it gets dark outside. All right, guys, there it goes, both of them on. I figured I'll show you guys real quick, and I think they're sick, man. So sick. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tonight. All right, guys, so this is how it looks at night. I'm inside my carport, but it is nighttime out, and they look sick, man. I really like that. And they're not super bright, but they're bright enough. And what I like is, I thought it was like an orangey color, but it's really like an amber color. So if you guys wait 1 second here, I'll put the hazards on for you guys. And then you got the sequential going, but it's like the same color. So I like it, guys.